How to delete blocked numbers on Samsung Galaxy. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to delete all of the blocked numbers on your Samsung Galaxy. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So there is no direct way to delete all of the blocked numbers from your block list, but what you can do is search for the number on your contacts and delete it from your contacts. Now, to do that, you first have to access your block numbers. Go ahead and open up your phone's dialer, and then from here, you just tap on the three lines on the top right corner and head over to settings. Once you open up your phone settings, you just scroll down a bit and you will see your block numbers. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you will see a list of all of your blocked numbers. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and hold down your recent app button. Now, once you get your phone to your recent apps, go ahead and tap on the app icon and tap on Open in Split Screens View. Now, once you have done that, you are going to open up your Contacts app right here. Alright, so once your Contacts is open on the bottom half of your screen, go ahead and search for these numbers. So I'm just going to search for the number right here. So let's say if I want to delete this number completely, I'm just going to search for it and tap on the number. Now I'm just going to delete it from my entire contact. Go ahead and tap on the three lines and then tap on delete and move to recycle bin. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.